Really quickly, can I just say, as a Muslim convert who converted and lost family, lost friends, lost my job at the time, to see people using converting to Islam as a grift and a way for clout and money or whatever it may be, and this is not everybody, this is like a very select few, so don't assume who I'm talking about or anything like that. But to see people doing that is so infuriating. But the reason I just like let it be and like don't get too stressed about it is because even if their current intentions may not necessarily be the most sincere, and maybe they are, maybe I'm reading things wrong for sure, they could still eventually be guided genuinely, you know? They could still eventually come to Islam properly, who knows? But also the fact that even if they